So guys, for today's video, kain tayo ng adobo. This is chicken adobo. And the rice. This is mine. This is for my husband. And we're going to eat chicken adobo. Let's go guys. Yan, lagay ko lang dito yung camera natin. Ako lang naman kita guys. Wait lang. We're going to eat guys. Ayan, pasensya na. Adobo yung kinain ko ngayon, hindi ihaw. Kasi hindi ako nakababa. So, mag-adobo na lang muna tayo. And this is chicken adobo. Siguro pagsasabayin na lang natin yung ihaw at yung mais con yelo. Kasi hindi ako nakababa talaga. We're going to eat. This is the chicken adobo. Made with the bones. Alam nyo, ang favorite part ng manok na kinakain ko ay buto. Yung mabuto na part. Like wing, backbone, chicken pork. And we're going to eat with our hands. Again and again. And we're going to eat. And it's 7:35. So, dinner na guys. Dinner. Thank the Lord sa food. Amen. Let's go. Let's eat. Let's eat a bowl. Mainit? Mainit. Ito may nahulog. Mainit. Let's eat the adobo. Masarap to pag may juice. May juice kami dito. Going to eat and eat and eat. So perfect. Chicken adobo. Kaya mo ko? Perfect. Perfect with the juice. Ang dami kong kanin. Ang dami kong kanin. This is the chicken adobo. Guys, ubusin ko muna ulit to. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my eating vlog for today's video. Bye everybody. Bye.